So I took a gamble purchasing this for about 40 bucks. It's a walk behind string trimmer, 22 inches or so, and it'll work really well along fence lines. I feel like much better than just a handheld weed whacker. When I got it, it didn't have any pull rope on it, so we put one of those on there. I will get a handle for that, and then I was able to get that started on some starting fluid, just to see if it runs. It had good compression, so I ordered this kit off of Amazon. This kit came with everything I needed. I figured I would need new carburetor since it looks like it's been sitting for a while. It didn't have an air filter. These little knockoff carburetors, actually I've had really good luck with them. Just got to make sure you get the right one. It's got some new fuel line in there too, but for the cost of a carburetor and a filter, I was able to get the whole thing with an extra spark plug, even an ignition coil there too. So today we're gonna tear this apart, put it back together, see if we can't get it to run like it's supposed to. See if we got some spark. Not seeing any spark there. So alright, we only have very little bit of a spark when we use the tester here, but I couldn't see anything at the tip of the new spark plug. We're going to put that old spark plug back in, see if we can see some spark. If not, that the ignition coil is probably in there, slightly askew. Okay, looking for spark. Not really seeing any spark there. Even a little spark ought to light that sucker up. Okay, we're just going to put on the old equipment. who's got better spark.
Sweet!
Yeah, I think that I probably didn't have this installed quite right at the right distance. It is somewhat adjustable. You can see that I had it in two different spots. First it was too far away and we weren't getting like any spark. Got a little spark the second time when I moved it a little bit closer, but if you get it too close, then when the magnet swings around, you'll actually be smacking the end of this. So, I don't know. It's running now. We're gonna do an oil change on it and tighten down the rest of the stuff here. Take it for a spin. Alright, drain plug on this. It's actually under here. I think it's like a 3/8. So my extension should fit right up in there. Yes. Alright. Oh yeah, that's some nasty oil. This here drive lever is not operating. So let's see what's up with that. Alright, let's see how it goes. Maiden voyage. I ripped off all the old cables and broke my throttle cable. You know what? I think I'm tightening it. Yep, that's what was it. Okay, here we go. Maybe what we'll do is like this. Yeah. Get our hand up in there. Oh, now we're cooking.